My name is Cristina Córdova. I'm a figurative ceramic artist.
I'm Courtney Martin. I'm a studio potter.
I'm David Clemons. I am a practicing metalsmith.
Today, I want to welcome you to the Figure and Clay.
Welcome to Pewter Spice Jars.
Today, we are making a handled tray. I hope you're able to take some of the techniques I showed today and incorporate them into your own work.
I hope it kind of gets you jazzed about future explorations.
I hope these techniques prove useful in your own practice, and I can't wait to see what you're going to do with them.